Hello there, welcome back to our channel, your trusted source of all things health and wellness. Today, we are discussing a topic that's close to my heart and something we all need a refresher on from time to time: healthy eating tips. We will be talking about 10 healthy eating habits that, when followed, can make a huge difference in our health overall. Before we get started, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for notification so you never miss a beat. Now let's jump into it. Tip number 1: prioritize fruits and vegetables. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, and they should fill half your plate at each mealtime. Tip number 2: opt for whole grains. These grains have all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Foods made from these grains are rich in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied for long periods. Tip number 3: try good hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps your body carry out important functions and keeps you energized. Remember, thirst can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Tip number 4: watch your portion sizes. Just because a food is healthy doesn't mean we should eat it in unlimited amounts. It's all about balance. Tip number 5: vary your protein. Good sources include lean meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. These foods are not just high in protein, but also contain other vital nutrients. Tip number 6: limit added sugars. Sugars in cookies, cakes, and sodas can add calories with few nutrients. Tip number 7: eat the rainbow. Consuming a variety of colors can ensure you are getting a wide range of nutrients from your fruits and vegetables. Tip number 8: regular meal times. Keeping a regular eating schedule can help regulate your body's hunger and fullness signals. Tip number 9: if you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Too much alcohol can lead to serious health problems. And finally, tip number 10: make gradual changes. Eating healthier doesn't have to involve a drastic overhaul of your diet. Small changes like adding more fruits and veggies and reducing added sugars can make a big difference. So there you have it, folks. 10 easy, actionable tips to help you on your journey to healthier eating. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progression. Find what works best for you and embrace it. Health is not a one-size-fits-all concept, it's a deeply personal journey. And it's important to find what works best for you, so don't be afraid to try new things and adjust as you go. Make sure you consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific dietary needs or concerns. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on future videos. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in our next video.